Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy Showers here, back with a video, and today guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get your own cinematics in Fortnite Battle Royale. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Make sure you guys like the video, and subscribe for more content like this, and let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is go into Battle Lab, and you can just start it up. And this is what you guys are going to do. And also, before we actually go into Battle Lab, you guys want to go all the way down and make sure you have all of these on, guys. You want all of these on to be able to, because you're going to be doing this in replay mode, so that's why you want all of these on. And it's the best thing. So you just hop in Battle Lab. Okay guys, so what you guys want to do is you guys want to go over to some type of spot that you want, like over at Tilted Towers. You know, you want to do something over here. So guys, you guys want to come down here, and then you just want to, if you guys want to do like action cinematics, you guys can come here, get a gun, and then you just come over here, and then all you guys have to do is literally just walk in a straight line, and then that's all you have to do, and everything else will be done in replay mode. So all you have to do is just walk, and that's how you do like cinematics with like a gun in the hand, or just a pickaxe, or something like that, and stuff like that. But yeah, that's how you pretty much do that. It's very simple. You just literally just get a gun, get what gun you want, and then just walk in a straight line, and everything else will be done in replay mode, so really won't be that hard. And then that's actually mostly it. That's all. That's really the only thing you actually have to do in Battle Lab to get your cinematic. So that's really all you have to do. But also guys, if you guys are asking how you get those cool like cinematics of the whole area and not just your character, I will also show you guys that, but you guys can't do that anything in here. You have to do that all in replay mode. So yeah, I might as well just go head on over to replay mode. Okay, so when you guys are back in the lobby, you guys want to go all the way over to career over here. Then you guys want to hit replays, and guys, when all of your replays load up, you guys want to hit the recent one that you just did, which is this one right here. You want to hit play replay. Okay guys, so when you guys are in here, if you guys want to have like the running shots, I'll show you guys how to do that in just a second. But guys, what you guys want to do is you guys want to move it all the way to drone free, and then you got this whole thing. This is how you guys are gonna do those cool cinematics of like moving around and just looking at the actual area. And then you just want to move the speed up to like literally 4 times, so that you can move way faster. And why did I do that? Okay, so you just want to cut down here, go way faster, and just kind of go down, and then there you go guys. So you guys can just make sure everything's fully hidden, and all you guys have to do is just kind of move along like this. This is what I did guys for my my recent montage, the cake montage. This is what I did, if you guys want to know. So this is really all I did to really get the cinematic, but that time I just did it on different spots of the map, so it really doesn't matter where you do this guys. You could do it really anywhere. So yeah, just do this, pretty simple. You guys also want to be playing so that you guys can actually get like moving stuff and all that. But after you guys get all that, then you guys want to get, if you guys want actually like character cinematics of like them holding a gun and stuff like that, you guys open up, make sure all the HUD is actually on now, and you guys want to just go to gameplay, and all you guys want to do is literally just move over, go to the point that you want it to be at. So yeah guys, when you guys come here, you just want to go to the spot where you want it, and what you guys want it on is third person. You guys want it on third person here. Get your gun, and all you guys want to do is like have it at a spot like right here or something, and then when you guys go straight, make sure the HUD is fully hidden or something, and then you guys can do like something like this or something, you know, very cool, and it's following it, and you don't have to do anything. You guys can go back here, and you guys can just record that. That's pretty much how I do my cinematics. You could also do like drone attach. I think drone attach is another good one that you guys can do, cause it also moves. So you guys really could just hold it like right here, something, and then it just follows it. So you guys could also do that, but I don't know. Those are the two different ones, either third person or drone attach. Those two ones are good. Actually, I think I use drone attach for some of my other ones that like this, cause you literally can move freely, but when they move, the drone or the camera follows it. So Just look over here, and then bang. The camera's moving with it. So this is how I did them. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it to really think on how to do this. It's very simple, and I know a lot of people don't know how to do this because they just take cinematics from other people and they just use that. So I definitely suggest doing this, guys. It's the best way to get original content and not steal from other people, you know? But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys never miss a video. And yeah, make sure you guys go into my giveaway, and see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.